Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can connect to a DNP printer with a Mac computer to Flinzy Photobooth. So obviously the first thing you need to do is just have your DNP ready and connect it to a Mac computer. Open System Preferences on your Mac and click on the printer and you'll see Open Sharing Settings. Click on it and make sure that it has access to anybody. It can print to anybody. And then go back to printers and scanners and make sure the sharing functionality is turned on. All right, that's it on your Mac side. Now open the app, go to print settings and click on find printer. It will show you any printer that is connected to your current Wi-Fi. And I'm going to turn on auto print mode on for testing. Basically, what it'll do is after taking photos, it will start printing automatically right away. And now let's take some photos and see if printing works as expected from DNP. Yep, sounds like it's printing. So as you see, you didn't really have to click on any print button after taking photos because we set auto print mode on and it will print automatically. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks.